always talk about the rolling tables and how tricky these rolling tables are. And rolling tables are tricky. They have a lot of advantages, but the way people are using them, there's a lot of disadvantages. They're cramming these rooms full of plants. They're trying to get as many plants under light as they can, and they're forgetting about air circulation and just the ability to be able to observe prior to interaction. So one of the things we found out in our prump facility is we tried to appease the state as much as possible. So we built our bed 6 inches off the ground on rolling benches. And it was really cool, everybody's excited about it, but now we have to clean under those benches. So now we have to move several ton benches out of the way to clean underneath them, because now there's a mess that's developed underneath them. So what we do at this facility is we slam them on the ground and we just siliconed them. That way there's nothing, no water, no moisture, no food, nothing, no bacteria can get underneath there and grow. So now when we clean these rooms, we basically just soak the floors and we just wash it all down, squeeze it all into the drain, versus having to actually move beds and clean under things. Sped things up quite a bit.